Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a quick way to make passive income using Valeris Network. Now, once you're in the Valeris Network homepage, you'd see this banner at the top that says earn passive income as a Valeris affiliate. Now you can scroll down to the footer of the website, that's the bottom of the page. Now click on the affiliates. And once you do this, for someone who is doing this the first time, you are definitely not going to be welcomed with a screen like this. You'll be welcomed with a screen that shows that asks you to either create a profile, that's if your wallet, but make sure your wallet is connected already to the platform before you get to this point. Now if you don't know how to do this, a link will be provided at the top of the video that leads you to how to sync your wallet with Valeris Network. Now, once that is done, you click on that affiliate to bring you here, and then you'll be required to create a profile. I will show you how that one works as well. But as you can see on my account here, I have about 12 referrals. I've referred about 12 people, and so far I've made about $127.54. Now, I did not spend a dime to do any of this. All I just did was get my referral link, which you would find here. You can see copy referral link. I copied my referral link and I made videos like this about the platform, which led people to the site using my link. Now, once they come there, whatever transaction they do, I get about 5% of the fee. Every transaction that is done by these people I referred to the platform, I get 5% of the fee. Now this is what is summing up to this value you're seeing here. So as you can see, if I click on the rewards history, you see the rewards I'm getting. These are the rewards I am making from the transactions, and as you can see, some of them are bot trades. I've made some videos about how to trade using the AI bots. Now if you are lucky, one of the people you refer are actually using the AI bots, you would notice that you are going to make a whole lot of profit from, you will make more money with such, because each time the bot takes a emits transaction, which most times would be a profit transaction or sometimes a loss transaction, whichever way, whether they are making a profit transaction or a loss transaction, you are making money either ways. That is the beauty of running this affiliate program. So guys, I will now show you how you can create the affiliate account. So to do that, I can't do it on this browser, so I'll have to open a private browser so it will allow me start from scratch. Now open a private browser and then go to a link. This will be let's say Valeris Network. Enter this. It's going to load the platform for you. Now come to the connect wallet aspect. Sorry, I accept this cookie policy first. Sorry, let me close this and accept the cookie policy. Then open this back again, and then click on the mnemonic seed phrase, which is what I'm going to be using to log in. Once that is provided, just give it a few seconds to process. Go to the bottom of the page. Once I'm at the bottom of the page, I'll click on affiliate. Now once you click on affiliate, you'll be welcomed with a screen like this asking you to create your affiliate profile if you've not created it already. Now this is not a hard thing, it's just a click of the button. Once you click it, it is going to take your wallet record. This is completely on Web3. There is no need for KYC or any sort of stuff. Now once you are here, once you are in, all you just have to do is copy your URL, your referral URL, and then make videos, or whichever way you want to share that link with people or even friends that once they join the platform using your referral link, you would be getting that 5% from every transaction fee that they process. So guys, if this was helpful, please do not forget to smash the subscribe button, click on the like icon, and also ask your questions on the comment section if you have any questions or difficulty following through this process. Until next time guys, stay safe.